Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at a style of plastic live catch mousetrap that's based on a much earlier design. I've already posted a video on this trap. It's a large metal box with a wind-up mechanism inside that's capable of catching up to 15 mice. This was first patented by Austin Ness in 1930. It's called the catch-all and it's still being sold today. It's a very popular trap and it's lasted the test of time. It's so popular that most of the major mousetrap manufacturing companies have made pretty much exact copies. Here's one made by Victor. They even put the holes in the same spot. Here's another one called the Mouse Master. It's pretty much the same design repeated over and over. Well, later Ness made a smaller version made out of plastic called the Mini Mouser. So I'll show you some of the copies of this trap and show you how it works. Here are 3 versions of this trap that all work the same way but are made by different companies. We have the Mini Mouser multiple catch mousetrap made by Ness. We have the Tomcat multiple catch mousetrap. And we have the Quickie Catch multiple catch mousetrap. They all have lids here you can remove, see the mechanism inside. Here's a close-up of how this trap works. There's 2 ways for the mice to get caught. There's a hole on this side, another one over here, and that forms a tunnel for the mouse to go through. At the middle of the tunnel is a trigger pad. When the mouse enters and steps on that pad, it releases the mechanism and they get caught. The mechanism is a series of paddles that are powered by a spring similar to a clock. You wind it up here. You don't want to over twist it, but when set correctly you can catch a lot of mice. The mouse will want to enter the tunnel, step on that pad. Those paddles guide it right into the holding chamber. Now normally I test out live catch mouse traps with my pet mice, but my pet mice are larger than the wild mice and I'm worried about their tails getting caught in the mechanism. So let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras, see how many wild mice we can get with the Mini Mouser. Last night I set up the Mini Mouser mousetrap out in the barn and we caught a mouse. He's down in there, but we had the same problem that I had with the larger metal version, which is when the trap goes off and those paddles go around, the mouse can get caught in the mechanism. It jammed it up. We only caught one mouse and his tail was stuck. I released his tail, but since this is a live catch trap and he's been stuck all night, let's let him go. To release him, we'll just lift up the lid. You can see his tail has some scars in it, but he'll be fine. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.